Top 3 air fryers to upgrade your kitchen game. Looking to upgrade your kitchen game? Here are the top 3 air fryers that can make your life easier and meals tastier. In a bright, modern kitchen, this air fryer takes multitasking to a new level. With Ninja DZ200 and its dual basket design, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously without mixing flavors. Large capacity and multiple cooking modes make it perfect for families, though its size might not suit smaller kitchens. Compact and sleek, this Kyocera air fryer 9-in-1 is ideal for smaller households. Precision temperature control ensures crispy, perfectly cooked meals every time. Imagine coming home after a long day and preparing quick, healthy dinners like salmon and roasted veggies. While it's not for large families, it's a must-have for couples who value convenience and efficiency. For those who love hosting or meal prepping, this Vortex Plus 10 QT air fryer is a game changer. Its spacious design includes a rotisserie function, perfect for cooking a whole chicken while you prepare side dishes effortlessly. Large meals for family dinners or bulk prepping have never been easier, making entertaining a breeze. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? Explore these air fryers and find the one that fits your needs perfectly. Transform your kitchen today. Links down below.